Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're getting towards the end of the trading week. We're just seeing what opportunities lie ahead. We've got CPI data or inflation data next week, which is expected to creep higher. So will this mean that the Fed will definitely still impose a 25 basis point cut in its next meeting, or will it think twice, possibly going heavier or not even cutting at all? So this is very vital information. With the government shutdown also continuing, will we have NFP numbers tomorrow after the previous one was cancelled due to the Bureau of Statistics not being able to release any data? So this is a very big questions. So it might be a little bit of a non-event tomorrow. We might not even see any market action. As you can see on gold, it's stuck in heavy consolidation at the moment since we've had such a rally on the dollar. So let's just take a quick look on the 4-hour chart on what opportunities we can see. Well, at the moment we've had a nice bounce at this previous low around 39.30. We're just steadying and trying to recapture the $4,000 handle. This is very pivotal and vital for the gold because it's seen as such a heavy psychological area that, you know, as you can see here, it's been tested quite a few times, and since then we've just been having a little bit of a push higher, a dip lower. Now it seems we're pushing a little bit higher again, but it's all about getting that confirmation break and then moving towards 4,100. Obviously the record high is out of the question at the moment. We'll have to wait and see next week if we get any big pushes, but with the RSI being in the neutral zone, bouncing away from the oversold area, giving the price action a little bit of a lift. This is what we're looking at the moment and seeing if it can continue as well. But as I said, holding on to the 4,000 area is very critical for gold, and we'll see that in the next few trading days ahead for sure. Let's just take a look on the greenback on the DXY index, because finally we've broken the 100 area, and now we broke it, but now we're coming down to test that support as well. So it's becoming a firm support. If we do break that particular area, then expect a prolonged reversal back down to possibly the mid 98 area. So dollar has done progressively well, but if we look at all the forex pairs against its main competitors, cable, euro, yen, etc., we're seeing a little bit of a bounce back now. Actually, let's just quickly show that on the chart. Let's just take a look on the euro dollar, for example. As you can see here, just bouncing a little bit higher. Cable, same story after such a prolonged move back down to 130, hitting multi-month lows. We're just seeing now that, you know, the dollar pairs are just creeping a little bit higher, but is it enough to kind of rescue the situation and stop this massive bearish reversal on the pairs? Very progressive dollar, even though there is this US shutdown in America, and that could be affecting jobs. It's affecting flights as well. Over 40 flights around America have been cancelled in the last few days. So lots of things to digest, lots of things to think about as we move into the next week and steadily getting towards 2026. You know, this time last year we had the presidential election. What is in store for the rest of the year? Roughly about 6 to 7 weeks left. Not so long to go. Will we see any big moves and volatility in the market? Well, as usual, we'll bring you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.